Holy sh! There's some serious lightning out here. I better be careful, but that's insane. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at that. How is this Ohio? This is like Kentucky or I don't know what to call it. Look at this. This is insane, man. What the hell? Dude. Some serious lightning. Holy sh! Should I be worried? That is insane, man. Oh, come on, focus, camera. Jesus. Moron, you're literally walking me out. I'm out here, moron. Oh my god. Look at this. Look how crazy this is, Mom.
Why isn't it noisy?
I don't.
Are you sure it's not? Are you sure it's not?
Sure, it's not what?
It's like a siren's going.
That's not siren. There's no siren.
No. Oh, there you go. I saw the line.
Yeah, I saw that too.
That's crazy. Huh.
You don't see a tornado, do you?
No.
This is insane.
Nuts. You better not cuss.
Look at this. Oh my god, there we go. Now I can see what the hell's going on. Look at this. Oh my god. Wow. Wind's already picking up. My lord. Wow. See if I can take a snapshot of this. I think I should go inside pretty soon. I'm not gonna film this for long. Oh yeah, you could definitely hear it. It's pretty bad. Ah, I missed that one. Who knows? Wow. Oh, did I get that one? Dude, I'm literally getting this on video. This is insane.
It's nuts, right?
Yeah. Should we be worried?
No.
I don't hear any sirens.
Well, why would you?
Dude, I've never seen this in Ohio before. Never seen storms like this in Ohio with all this lightning. I hope I don't get struck out here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Sounds like a very angry storm. Are you getting on video too, man? I got the whole thing on video right now. Oh, come on, I don't want to lose my phone. Aw. Taking all kinds of snapshots of this thing.
Hey, come out on the patio. I want to show you something. Right.
I told him to Max. I think I'm about to go inside now, because I don't want to... That lightning looks really dangerous, dude.
Come stand here for a few minutes. Come stand out here for a few minutes. It's insane. It's lightning.
But it's not raining.
No. Just stand here for a few minutes and watch. It's constant. It's not thundering either.
It is thundering. You don't hear the thunder?
Very little though. Isn't that wild? Yeah. I've never seen anything like that.
I'm getting lightning alerts on my phone now.
Isn't that nuts?
Very strange.
But compared to the lightning, there's hardly any thunder. Whoa.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I hope I got
Dude, it
that.
hasn't stopped for literally like 15 minutes. Like we've been standing out there for 15 minutes. You can smell the rain now.
Yeah.
Oh, I can smell a little bit.
Make that.
I love you, buddy.
Night, Max.
Big Jeff.
Sleep well.
Thanks.
First the eclipse, then the northern lights, and then we get a beautiful lightning storm. That's my leg is starting to shake now. Oh, wow, did you see that one? That was amazing. Ooh, did you see that? That was awesome. It's coming pretty close. Oh, did you see that one? That was cool. Holy sh**, dude. Oh, did you see that one? That was awesome. What was that movie with Tom Cruise and either Dakota Fanning or remember that one movie with Dakota Fanning? I think it was either Dakota Fanning or Elle Fanning, I'm not sure. But it was like lightning. It was like these aliens and they were triggering lightning. Remember that?
Yeah. War of the World.
War Against Worlds, I remember.
No,
It looks
War
exactly
of the World.
it looks exactly like that movie right now. Look at that, we're getting all kinds of bolts now. Holy shit, dude. I'm taking snapshots as I record. This is insane. I accidentally stopped recording. I think we should go inside. What do you think? Holy shit, dude.
No.
I know it is. Oh, did you see that one? That was awesome. Good thing I have a bigger storage on my phone now. Oh, did you see that one? That was awesome. Okay, I think I'm gonna go inside now, guys. I'm going inside. Shit.
Jackie, stop.
Look at this, guys. Look at it now. It's like pure lightning. Wow. Oh. Yeah, you should check this out now, man. It's insane. Look at that now, Dad. Look at that. I'm guessing that's Jim. Oh my God. Usually you see this in Kansas and Oklahoma with the lightning like this, Dad. We've never had this like this in Ohio before. Never seen like I've never seen like never seen this like this in northeastern Ohio before. This is insane. I've seen videos like this, and I never thought I would see something like this in real life. That is really dangerous, dude. That's insane. Whoa. Wow. It's a big giant microwave metal. Ooh. It's hard to go slow-mo with this stuff, man. Alright. I think that's gonna be it, y'all. Alright. Maybe one more bolt, and that'll be done. Come on, focus. There we go, come on. That's it. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Psych. I can watch it from my bedroom. So I can't really see anything here and here. Can't really see anything from this angle. Yeah. That's it.